Good day, Orteans. Your lecturer for today is Professor Allan Santos, top 5 in the March 2012 Criminology's licensure examination. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to receive the latest updates. Take it away, Allan.
Okay, ang buhok, hair, is an appendage of the skin that grows out of an organ known as what? Ito ay tumutubo sa organ. Anong tawag doon sa organ na yun? What is the answer? Okay. So, what is the answer, guys? Okay. So, the answer is not medulla. Kasi pag sinabi mong medulla, it is a cellular column. Okay? So your keyword is a circular column located in the center, no? The center, to sa pinakagitna ng buhok. So, okay guys, when you say about medulla, this is your keyword. It is a cellular, okay, column. So, hindi rin hair shaft kasi parts ito ng hair, okay? It is a part of the hair na merong cuticle, cortex, and medulla. So, hindi rin hair root kasi siya yung okay, parts pa rin ito na hair. The answer for this one, guys, no? I want you to remember is hair follicle. So, hair follicle, the answer for this one. So, the answer is letter B. Okay. So, from its root or bulb embedded in the follicle continues to the shaft and terminates at the statement refers to what? Okay, from the root all the way to the tip. Okay, anong proper term ang sagot ang tumutukoy dun sa statement na yon? Okay? Sige, paki-answer. So, okay guys, no, pag when you say about medulla index, no, medulla index, no. So, na-type ko rin guys para ma-take note nyo, maisulat nyo. So, kasi mamaya nasa sobrang hina ng signal ninyo, sometimes di natin maiwasan yan, iking malabo ang audio ko. So, ginagawa ko kapag there is a complex terminology, bibigyan ko kayo ng kino-comment ko para ma-take note nyo. Okay. May apology lang sa minsan sa kakamadali. Okay. Misspell ko yung words. Okay. So, medulla index, guys, now when you say about medulla index, no, okay, it is I want you to take note, the diameter of medulla, no, in relation to the diameter, okay, of shaft or hair shaft. So I want you to remember that, no? So, this is not the answer for this one. Hindi yan sagot medulla length. So, the answer is length of hair. So, I want you to remember, yung haba ng buhok, okay, from the root all the way to the tip. Kasi tandaan nyo, no? There are three major parts of hair as a whole. Yung pinaka-ugat, that is hair root. Okay, yung pinakagitna niya, no, from hair root sa katawan, that is the hair shaft. At yung pinaka-tuktok niya, that is hair tip. So, the tip of the hair. So, I want you to remember the answer in this one is length of hair. Okay. Let us now proceed to this. What is the answer, guys, in this one? What is the answer? It's composed of 3 layers. The cuticle, so when you say about cuticle, It is the scale structure, okay, covering the hair shaft. It is the scale structure, okay, yung bumabalot sa buhok. Cortex is the body of the shaft. And I already told you what is medulla. It's a cellular column. No. So the hair shaft, this is subjected to the most intense examination by the forensic scientists. Okay. Why? Because I want you to remember, isa ang hair shaft, no? I want you to take note of this. Hair shaft, no, is one of the source of DNA pagdating sa buhok. Okay? Dalawa kasi yan eh. Mamaya yung isa I will discuss. Pero isa ang hair shaft sa sources ng DNA. So, kaya mahalaga ito sa mga forensic scientists. Okay? So, the answer in this one, guys, is hair shaft. Okay, bravo. So, Jodeline, you are correct. So, okay, I already told you the answer. Okay, diniscuss ko kanina. Number 9, what is the answer? Sagot sa number 9, guys. The scale structure covering the exterior of the hair and always point, no? Okay, if you will use a microscope para makita nyo itong characteristic ng cuticle, makita kang parang spikes, no? Yung spikes na yon, no, naka-point siya towards the tip of the hair. So, ano sagot dito, guys? What is the answer? Okay. I want you to take note, guys. The answer in this one, okay, is cuticle. It's like what I've said, cortex is the body, while medulla, okay, is the cellular column, and medulla index, the diameter of medulla. Now, if you compare it or in relation to the diameter of the shaft. So let us now proceed to this. Okay. The main body of the hair shaft, okay, this is no-brainer already. I already explained it to you. The main body of the hair shaft. So the answer is cortex. Okay? The answer is cortex. So please remember that. So, lagi niyong tandaan, medulla, cellular column, then medulla index is the diameter. So, please always remember the keywords so that madali nyo itong ma-recall. So, 11. Cellular column running to the center of the hair. So, yung exterior covering, yung scale structure, that is the cuticle, okay? The body, yung sumunod na layer, the body, that is the cortex, yung pinakagitna. Cellular column running through the center, okay, of the hair. That is medulla. Okay. So take note of that. The answer is letter C. So, let us now proceed this. Okay, gaya ng sinabi ko, the medulla index, no, is the diameter, okay, of medulla relative to the diameter of hair shaft. Okay? So, what is the measurement, no, of this, the medulla index measure the diameter of medulla? So, what is the right, no, proportion or ratio, no, when it comes to this? Ano ang sagot dito? So this is one of the difficult questions that you need to familiarize. Okay? Kasi it involves ratio in numbers. So what is the answer? Can you please answer kung alam ninyo or make an intelligent guess Yes. Ano kaya sagot? So, the answer is this. No? The diameter of the hair shaft is less than 1/3 versus 1/2 greater. Less 1/3 versus 1/2 greater. So the answer is letter A. So, isulat guys, no? I want you to take note para ma-recall ninyo.
If you want to learn more from him, take our Road to 1 Million challenge. If this channel hits 1 million subscribers, we will release the rest of his lectures. Or you can watch the rest of his lectures now by enrolling in Ortea Criminology Review. Just message us on our Facebook account for more details. See you soon, Orteans!